Okay. Maybe we're back? Maybe back? Okay. Alright, we're back. I like how as soon as I was like, oh, well, it's done, and I hit the disconnect button, I saw activity from the browser. Yeah, you know what? Go ahead. That's fine. One death. This is acceptable. There we go. Alright, so I need to... Yeah, I was sitting there going, shit, I can't even program because I don't have, like, the pages up that I need. So I need the 7TV API. Oh, the victory music. Alright, one of these has to have it. Even Chattering. I won't go Chattering. Okay, alright, what we got? Nope. Maybe API isn't what I'm looking for. Welcome back. Thank you. Yeah, the internet's been dying today. Don't know what's going on. I don't think it's the router. Okay, all I really need is I need the JSON. That's all. How to get 7TV JSON, not Jason. JSON. Yeah, let's go with that. Where was it? All right, hold on. I gotta go check my other browser. Boop, because we got all the programming web stuff over there. All right, emotes, emote implementation, yes. I think it's just that. Yeah. Where are my endpoints? There we go. Blah blah blah. Endpoints, yes. Yes, we're looking for this, but for 7TV. Because this is the Franker Z and BTTV emotes on there. Yeah, this looks crazy.
Oh shit, we are back.
We are!
Powerful!
Bullshit.
Yeah, my internet died. We need this. The reason we need this is so that we can get all of the emotes for the channel, like this. And then what we really need is we need Exactly. We're looking for this. We need that for each of the emotes. And then we make our list of our dictionary of objects inside of a program. Really easy. Maybe this one?
Jack, what do you think of Grassy's internet stream that just died?
It's too bloody hot. It actually is. You know, I get behind that though. It is too bloody hot, to be honest. Okay, usage, yeah.
Jack, what do you think of the hot weather today?
Bullshit.
It's so applicable. Is that from Stranger? Yeah, it is. It's from that scene where he's just like... The girl was pouring her heart out and he's just like, bullshit, and he walks away. But I had to cut the music.
Huge study right here that says bullshit.
I was waiting for it. Still need to raise the volume of Wonderful. Luckily, that shouldn't be super hard to do. Yeah, it's a little quiet still.
Power up.
Power up. Alright. Shit. Okay, how can I get that? How can I get that list of the JSON? Fucking how to get... There we go. Fuck it. That looks sussy. This link right here looks very sussy. That looks sussier. Okay, JChat. What is this? Sounds like a
pigeon music.
cross of two songs. Lo-fi pigeon music. Oh wait, no, this might be exactly what I want. HID? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now what are you on though? No, we don't need Node.js. I literally just need a list. How to get it? Coggers. Yeah, we ran out of like space on BTV for emotes, so we started using 7TV, but 7TV wasn't supported by the app yet, or overlay. Looking for anything. Nada, okay. 7TV official API. Official API. Endpoints. Don't care about badges. We do care about. Oh, hold up. Hold up. We draw closer. Okay. Alright, we can figure this out. Cache must global, yeah, okay. Cached user, okay. Okay, so comparing to that, we had that, okay. That. Grassfire? Oh! Let's fucking go! Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good shit. Okay, got that. Now we want the global list, yeah, which is gonna be the same. Wait, no, similar, but not.
We
Right,
did it. Did Dad come back from his cigarettes?
He did. He did, but then he went for milk. It was a very sad moment for us all. Good shit. Okay. All right.
Sag.
Was this Final Fantasy IX? I want to say this was Final Fantasy IX. Like overworld music. I really like 9. To be fair, the PlayStation Final Fantasies were freaking awesome. Alright, you know what? Like, most of the Final Fantasies are pretty freaking awesome, honestly. Just thinking back on it. So supposedly there's a remaster coming out. Remaster? There's something coming out for 9 and Tactics from like the leaks. There was like a list of leaked stuff of some upcoming games, and those 2 games were on the list. And the other games that were also on that leak list have been correct so far, so it'll be really cool if it actually happens. I freaking love Final Fantasy Tactics. That game is also super badass, and everybody needs to experience it. It's hard to experience it now because the I don't think the emulators run it super great. Like, it has audio issues. Like, it runs okay, but like the audio issues can be a bit off-putting. And I don't believe they re-released it for too much. Could never get past the second battle in Tactics. It is really hard. So in that game, as a kid, whenever I first rented it, I didn't realize that you could place down more units. Because there's the first battle where they show you all the units, and then there's the second battle where they give you like a team of just random guys. And it starts you off with like 2 guys placed, but you can have like up to 6 or 7 placed down. And for the first weekend I had it, I tried to win that battle with 2 people versus like, I think it's 8. I came close a couple times, but I could never beat it. War of the Lions is the best version of Tactics nowadays. It definitely is. It updated the translation in some good and some bad ways, but, you know, mostly for the better. It added a shit ton of new content, like a crazy amount of characters got added to it. Like, I want to say Cloud was new. Cloud might have been in the base one, but they added a bunch of just like secret hidden characters throughout the game that you could get unlock in War of the Lions. It was freaking awesome. I played that one in college between classes. Ended up beating that one. What else did I play? Was that the Star Oceans? Because they did release those for the PSP. And I think there was a Disgaea I played. That's what got me through, like, waiting between classes in college, because it wasn't worth it to head back. There was like a half hour to an hour between like a bunch of classes that I had. Yeah, find a sale for Triangle Strategy. Triangle Strategy also looks pretty solid. I heard really good things about it. I do want to check that one out as well. Couldn't deal with Tactics on the PSP because of disk load issues. Half the animation speeds across the board. I remember there were like some wonky parts, but for the most part, I don't remember having too many issues. But it was a hot minute ago, so I don't... And it kept me busy between, so like, I wasn't complaining. But then again, I had the fat PSP. I had the chunky boy. so we got these two. Now we gotta figure out how to parse this shenanigans. Alright, get data. You need web requests, yep. Error downloading, sure. Sound data, yep. Get the ID of the emote, get the code of the emote, get the image type of the emote. I think the image type is always going to be WebP if I recall. So I don't think we got to worry about that here. Oh shit, I thought that was lag. That got me good. To the corresponding dictionary. Yep. It's just gonna be WebP. WebP. No dictionary. Chatbot. Okay. Come over here, chatbot. We need to make a new dictionary. Do you think WebP is plural? Because it'd be what, WebP or WebPs? Does the WebPs? No, it's WebP plural. What is the plural? What is the plural of WebP? Was plural web? Is web plural? Okay, let's just type in WebPs. See if that pops up anything. No, it just popped up WebP. Okay, I think it's plural. The wet peas. Much better than our dry peas earlier. Okay, texture 2D. Alright, we'll have to account for that later. Not super important at the moment. Field. JSON 7TB. Back to mess with that. But for now, what is it? Control Shift Tab? Nope. No. Oh, fuck. What do we do? Okay. just lets me tap through. Yeah, okay. Alright, we're cool. Shift tab?
Who has 2 thumbs and is
There
a
we go.
Hufflepuff? I'm a Hufflepuff.
Can't stop, won't stop.
Thanks for 39 months, Minnie. I appreciate it. You have a Ninja air fryer that dehydrates food? That's a neat setting. Okay, so we go. Alright, just make sure I don't mess this up. Excellent. I'm killing time. I was gonna be doing this off stream, but a couple people wanted to see like what I was up to, so I'm doing the programming on stream, and right now I'm trying to add WebP support so that we can use 7TV emotes on our overlay. And that is the current goal. Okay. Like that. Okay, so we go what? Alright, how big do we want these emotes? I think we use 2x on most of the others. Let me go double check. Right there. Okay, yeah. Hello, Vader. What's the name of the skiing game where Yeti comes out of a tree and eats you? Oh man, what was that? That was it a PC? A game where Yeti eats you while snowboarding? Snowboarding, right? Ski Free! I don't think I ever played this, but I've heard about it. It's infamous. Okay. Yep. Down. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, 7TV. Alright, so we got this. We got down to here. Alright, trust fund the next code if it exists. If not, -1. Alright, so yeah. This is where we need to start figuring out new data. Substring, yeah. Alright, so what we're looking for. Okay, here's a good example. Alright. Emote ID, which is 62. Emote ID is different. Okay. God, this is hard to read. Hold on, let me take this over to Firefox real quick. There we go. Okay, so 603, the ID. Order ID. Okay. By the way, if you ever need to look at like JSON data, Firefox is your boy. Because like this is useful whenever like you need the raw data, but if you're looking for like just visibility, oh my god, look at this, look at how greatly organized this shit is. Got all that. You just minimize it. Look, that was slot 0 right there. It's just so nice. Although sadly though, I do need to look at this too. But that does help me figure out that these are our modes. 604, yeah, and then it tells the Hypergotchi the name. Okay, so ID, we're looking for that, and we're looking for the name, and then the how to get to the next one. And whenever we do that, we're golden. It should be the same here. Yeah, ID, name, and then we can just skip to the next emote. Alright, so what is our separator? We got boom. Oh no. What's our delimiter? Is it brackets? Okay, it is. Shit. What is it? Okay, first one's Trisad, and our second emote is Hypergotchi. Alright, so that's one emote slot. So I think our delimiter is going to be left, squiggly bracket, comma. Thanks for the tunes while I wash dishes. You're welcome. My random ramblings off on the side. We've got to thank today's sponsor, Game Chops. Thanks, Game Chops. This song also sounds familiar. A chord where it's like da da. Oh, a squirrel with a gun? I think Brandon linked that to me a while back. Okay, hopefully Steam pops up in the right monitor. Okay, thank God. Was it on Steam? Okay, no, Brandon definitely didn't link me this. This looks freaking hilarious. He's linked me games similar to this, but he hasn't linked me to this one. Okay, so copy, Control F. Paste. Shit. Can't even use that as a delimiter. Fuck. I gotta go one more. Alright, so we're looking for. Holy shit. Alright, that looks like a delimiter. And then there's our last emote down here. Perfect. Get the ID of the emote. The ID of the emote, get the code. We don't care about the image type. We already know what it is because it's always going to be WebP on 7TV. Boop, boop, boop. Add emote to there. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Now we just got to get this and we're good and we're golden. Alright, try the next code if it exists. Alright, search term. We're looking for. If it exists, search the index of search term. Or search term. Okay, yeah. Search that if location is greater than or equal to 0. Stream location. Okay, while location is greater than or equal to 0, okay. And then that creates the, yeah. Good stuff. Alright, we gotta escape these characters. Okay, rather than using that one, let's try making a new one. Okay, so our search term equal to and then we gotta put, yeah, that in front of that, that in front of that, and that in front of that, and then we put this here, and that there. There we go, okay. So that's escaped out. ID, that's escaped out. Colon, that's escaped out. Alright, so we're looking for this. Good shit. Is equal to, yeah. We want to grab the substring. Location end. Okay, so we grabbed all that. Okay, so we're starting here. Location end is going to be the next quotation mark. Always going to be. Yeah, we can make our delimiter in this one always a quote. I'm never going to escape that. I wonder if it hurts to escape that. It doesn't look like it does, so let's do that. So we got the end location, yep. And we'll take the ID and make that replace. We don't need to replace anything because we started at the quotation mark. And then the new JSON is equal to that. If I need to, I can reference another one. Okay, the code of the emote is very similar. It's the same, we're just renaming that to emote code. Excellent. Oh, maybe. Maybe in the right spot. Doo-doo-doo. The windfish! Holy crap! Yeah! This was Game Boy / Game Boy Color. It was that Zelda. Link's Awakening, I believe is what it was called. Yeah. Oh, they remade it. That's right. It's on the Switch now. It was really good. I enjoyed that one a lot. Yeah, the Switch one was a remake of the Game Boy. Never played it. I did enjoy the Oracle pair. I haven't played the Oracle pair, sadly. I think those were Game Boy Color? That sounds about right. Color for Oracle? Might be a bit dated these days. It was definitely... For the Game Boy one, it was... I don't know, I feel like you can still have a good time with it. Which, I mean, they remade, so I guess they felt the same too. I don't know, but if I enjoyed that one, I'd probably enjoy the Oracle. I need to go play the Oracle. Oracle and Seasons. What was the gimmick to those two? Why did they come out on 2 cartridges? Were they different? Were there different games, or were there? I don't remember. Okay, so we got this. We got the code. This is first the ID, yep, then it's the code. And then we add it to the dictionary, and then we see if it's the end of the file. And if it isn't, then it goes back up here, and it redoes it all. Alright, this looks good. Alright, I think that we got our dictionary built now. Alright, now we need to go to the chatbot to start building this. Alright, Texture 2D, I believe we're using Texture 2D. Yeah, Texture 2D, we sure are. Good shit. Okay, there were different games that you could link after clearing both. Really? Oh, hold on, I gotta sneeze real quick. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, in a league game, explain it later. Okay, sounds good. Enjoy your league game. Yeah, I'm really curious about that. Because they did some really, like, nifty tech back then. At least for the time, it was very impressive. Nowadays, you know, maybe not as impressive, but whenever it first came out, wow, blew people's minds. Alright, no more instances. that instantiates them. I don't even think we need to do that. Fuck. Alright, maybe I need to leave the hub open. This is the second time I've done that, where I closed the hub and it just got angry at me. Ooh, that was close. Alright. That would have been a pain to hunt back down. Oh, Vampire Survivor added so much new cool stuff. I think they're getting closer if they haven't already. They've already hit like 1.0 of their release. But it reminded me of like just all the other games in like a similar vein, like Undertale and all that, with some of the new stuff they added. It was really cool. It was really cool to experience. I still haven't unlocked everything, but like the things that I have, it was really neat. Where? Oh crap, I thought it was here. Where is that? No. Find all references. Here we go. Okay, that only finds it here. There we go. Hey Chad. Everybody's been keeping me on my toes with that. Oh, I should get that naming consistent. Hey Mr. Superdog. Been a while. What are we programming? We're working on our overlay program right now. We're trying to get, well, we're actually really close to getting the 7TV emotes working with our overlay. See, right now we currently have, we got the Twitch emotes, and those work, and we got Twitch gifts, and those work. Little snappy hand. And then we got our BTTV emotes, those work. There he is, took a second. Okay, Jim. And we're working on getting these guys working. We're very close. Here it is working. Actually, I probably shouldn't mess with it right now. We're in the middle of like adding some stuff. Maybe I shouldn't do that right this second. So we're just chilling. Appreciate you stopping by. You ain't gotta stay. I know this isn't the most entertaining thing, but some people were curious, like, about the back end stuff. And I didn't really have a game I wanted to start today, because I wanted to do other stuff on Monday. But we're just chilling, hanging out. While I get stuff to do. Assuming that it works, I want to start the Star Ocean series. That's what I want to start on Monday. Because there are some, like, my personal favorite games in that series. Yeah, it is. It's programming can be Greek even if you know what you're talking about. Even if you have an idea, sometimes it's still Greek. Takes a bit. Okay, where's this? Alright, so start goes and grabs the emotes. We got the emotes. Okay. compiles the list. The list is compiled. Now it doesn't. Where? That's what I thought. Okay, so it's gonna be in. It's my chat handler? Maybe the currency. Was in chat parser. There it is. There we go. All right. There we go. Alright. I don't miss code. Now review code. Much better. Understandable. Oh, you're already brain dead? No, Chad. Good luck staying sane. I appreciate it, bud. This song brought back bad memories. No. Oh god. All right, it's gonna be a hot minute. Right, I forgot about this part. Oh, goodness. Alright, so we need to add WebP animations. It's public class. Start coroutine. Okay, that does it to play. Oh, this is gonna be a bit. Alright, this ain't gonna be fast. I gotta remember how to do all this. Hi, Devosis. Can you program me? Don't put plain text passwords in your code repo. What? Who would do that? It's crazy. Wait, but the school I went to wouldn't allow me into their engineering program to continue taking programming courses. Oh, okay, I got you. So you had to, like, focus. In my completely unprofessional, not at all qualified opinion, I'd say yeah. No, if you were wanting to, like, if you were wanting to make something on your own, like if you wanted to make like a game, then definitely that's the way to do it, Zach. There's so many like online tutorials and like engines that you can program in now that if you really wanted to make a game, like you could do it. There's Unity, there's it's a GoBot? I think GoBot's the new up-and-comer for 2D games. Unreal Engine, and there's like a million tutorials, like so many tutorials on how to do like all sorts of things. Shit, yeah, RPG Maker, that's where you start. That's where you start. Yeah, Unity bought? Yeah, they bought out one company, and they caught a lot of flack for it. Because that company was doing some pretty sketch stuff before. Alright, so what do I need to do? Alright, so I need to split up. The download. And the play functions. And then once I've done that, we can call the download and the play functions. Create our list layer. Okay. They did do that, didn't they? Yeah, they also signed that contract with the US government. That's because Unreal got like a huge stake bought out by Tencent, if I remember right. So now I guess so now like Unreal's out of the running for working with the government because they're like greatly owned by China. There is a good portion of games that can that are asset flips and shovelware. I actually don't see like too terribly many, but that's because I only really visit like new and trending and whatnot. But they're definitely there if you like look hard enough. I swear they're gonna go spy on users. That's the neat part. They already do, Civic. Leader I went to had one of the more aggressive nursing programs for the state, so they had a 4.0 requirement for both nursing courses and non-nursing courses to cut fat from the program. Most schools only have a 3.5 GPA requirement on non-nursing courses. Shit. Ironically, Unity is also making a Chinese brand, so that makes sense to me. That does not shock me at all. Everybody's making a Chinese branch. Our Unity purchased maps, dragons, and content. Hey, bros. This is the day you choose to pick up a programming stream. It was, yeah. I needed to kill a day, and I wasn't gonna stream today, but people talked me into it. So here's where we're at. Yeah, the viewers demanded it. We demanded it. And I was like, okay. So I went and downloaded a browser. Got Opera GX over here, so that I can search things and not have to worry about what fuck is gonna pop up. Oh, you had a wedding to attend, dude. That's awesome. Everything go well, hopefully. Hopefully no surprises. Saw some like recent really fucked up stuff on
We demand a
on
chill
Reddit.
stream and just talk to Grassy about nonsense.
I don't mind that. I just worry that sometimes I'm just not entertaining, so you know, I'll hole up. It's like, I don't got a plan. I'm gonna go in my cave. My little hidey hole. It's a nice hidey hole. Weather was fantastic. Bride caught fire. Groom got hit by a car. The usual. Wait, hold on. Is it bad that whenever you said the bride caught fire, I'm like, Rose, what'd you do? Just, it was an amazing day. Fantastic. What a weird wedding. Alright, emo, get WebP. What do we need? We need emo code, yep. String URL, yep. And then the particle number. Sure. Forgive. We don't have any of that data. Maybe it would be better to copy your PNG and go from there. Yeah, it will be. Alright. Alright. The flamethrowers will be mandatory. If I really think something surprising for us is behind it. Oh shit, I need to get invited then. We all need to show up with fireworks and flamethrowers in honor of Rose's wedding day. Okay, the Oracle games were different places. Seasons was more supposedly combat focused, and it had seasons. The seasons had a changing gimmick. Oh, okay. Ages was a time changing mechanic, but I don't remember it so well. More puzzle focused. Oh! The ones who followed versus the ones who didn't. Alright. This side gets flamethrowers, the other side gets fire extinguishers. But we only have one fire extinguisher, so good luck, team. Team fire extinguisher. kangaroo, a flying dodongo, and a hippo? Oh, it had mounts? That's cool. Why would I give something anti-fire? Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. Alright, so if emote WebP, this textures contains the key. Alright, image from cache. Yep. Probably like WebP from cache. Just to differentiate it. Alright, else. I want to download it. Okay, if the image is null, then it becomes a GIF. Alright, so we don't need to worry about this. Because we're not dealing with GIFs. URL is going to be provided from the dictionary. Restore emote into dictionary cache. WebP from that. It's not really put great. Create the particles from the email. Just shove them in there, it's fine. Oh, the song is so good. Okay, you can access. Okay, you got one per playthrough. You can access different areas depending on which one you got. It's not a weird kind of gacha mechanic with rings. Huh. Did I ever play The Link Between Worlds? No, I didn't! A flying bear, not a hippo. Okay. No, that one also looked really good. But I haven't played any of the Switch ones. Which is a crime. Like, actually. Oh, what kind of fucked up JSON parsing is that? This is custom fucked up JSON parsing. This is manual JSON parsing, Rose. But that's what this is. Yeah, if I were a smart person, then I would have gone and gotten a parser for Unity.
We did played a Zelda game called Tunic Kappa.
Does Unity have a proper JSON parser? Yes and no. I believe it does, but in order to get it, it would either cost money or installing a whole bunch of other shit. And I just went, fuck it, I'll do it myself. And that's exactly what I did. Listen, it's all just put together through sticks and glue. There's the occasional duct tape, and that saves us. Alright, so backpedaling, what are we trying to fix here? Alright, that's to create the... Okay, that's to play it. This is the play option here now. Okay. Store it into the dictionary. Okay, and then we start the play option. Got it. Do I have that code here? Probably. Oh, it's a little gacha. There's an item called a gacha seed. You grow into a gacha tree to get a gacha nut, which has items. How many items are inside of the tree or the nut? Nut tree? Tree nut. Okay, so that returns a list. Alright, so that's gonna have a list of 2D textures. Okay, that's our play. Which we need a list for. Okay. Okay. Okay, rupees are hearts. Also 64 rings throughout the game. Dude's nuts. Does code not stop at a yield? If I recall right, there's send request. So it's a yield return, so what it does is that it's like a little breakpoint, so it'll come back here. So it lets the code keep running, and then it comes back to the yield return whenever the web request is fulfilled. So it'll go do other stuff while it's downloading in the background. I believe that's Unity-specific shenanigans. That's not C#. Okay, so I need to access this. We need WebP animation. Private. Ah, fuck, of course it's private. Private and safe, yeah, okay.
PON PON PATA PON.
Pon, pon, beta pon. I was like, what does TTS do then? Alright, so yeah, once you beat OA or OS, you can do password link to get to the linked game and get to the final fights with Wenroba and Ganon. Oh, so you have to beat like one of them? You have to beat them both. I'm guessing like you beat one and then you get that code to the other one. Is in the other game. Yeah, okay. So is that like do you put that password in at a certain point or like right whenever you start a game? Turns red. List. Okay. List is equal to that. The return of the red. And it plays it. Okay, so if we download it, we don't necessarily want to play it. So we need ones for... Well, playing it isn't too bad. Playing it, there's nothing really special about playing it. So this code can instead go on the other, but the download's super important. We need to have that come from there into here, and then do all that. No, then, no, we should probably call it into here. And then add a particle condition. Okay. So we need a reference to that. Because there's no way we're getting that. Okay. Okay, so I need to... Oh, Unity's so freaking weird. So I gotta make the variable for that and then shove that inside of there? Yeah, that's about right. Alright, let's go double check. We got other examples. Script narrator, yeah, okay. So it's all pointing at the same one. Okay. Okay, we got the emote controller. Where is our chatbot? There it is. Alright, yeah. so yeah, it's kind of doing the Pokemon version thing. We could just start, but I don't remember. Alright, that's fair. Also stuff like swap rings between games and need it for 100% version. Exclusive rings. And the last thing, there was originally going to be a third game. They got too convoluted with the password system, I can believe that. Ages and Seasons feature somewhat heavily characters. Din and Naru. Nehru? Nehru. There would have been, Furore. Furore. I don't feel like I was saying that right. Ooh, that's a good question. Yeah, what would the theme be? Mystical Seed of Courage. Interesting. I'm looking up at this point. Yeah, fair. Understandable. Oh, this is your last field. Okay, so I need a serialized field. Down here with the P, yep. Is on something. On image 2, that's right. That's no good. Mega Man! Okay, might have been plant-based, but I'm not finding much info. Okay, age is originally going to be color. Courage is going to be time. Heard you guys grabbed. They put the time mechanic into ages. Oh. Those games were the only ones not developed directly by Nintendo. That explains why they have so much unique stuff in them. Yeah, actually, it kind of does.
Rockman.
What is this? This is a mix-up of some Mega Man song and Zelda? Yeah, this is a mix between like the two, I think. Damn, it might just be from DX, but it totally sounds like it could be like a Mega Man mix-up in there. Yeah, that might just be from DX though. DX was Awakening, wasn't it? It was like the first remake? Well, additional content? Deal away with image 2. Image 2 is equal to null. Return. Probably just if texture is equal to null. Oh, there can be blank textures, can't there? Alright, we'll figure that out later. Fix null downloaded image. But I guess that's taken care of in the other stuff. Okay, yeah, we'll just leave that warning there for later. I know, right, Rose? I know that's it's like based off of C#, but it has so many nuanced things that it's really just its own freaking language. Like, there's some stuff that you could use from C++ or C#, but because of all the nuanced shit, it's hard to give too much advice. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's been like, because there's some solutions that I was just like, dude, if I was working in just C#, oh my god, we would have this solution down pat. But because we're working in Unity, I have to figure out how to do it the Unity way. And that's happened quite a number of times. But at the same time, I also wouldn't have access to like a lot of things just easily available. For instance, the actual overlay of like videos and stuff. I still haven't found a way to do that in C#. I know it's there, it exists, but I haven't found the way to do it. And I occasionally go and look just on the off chance that it's there. Okay, it is Zelda song, but it's DJ Cutman who makes everything sound like Mugman. Okay. I've actually seen live before. That's sick. That's actually awesome. How was the show? How long ago was it? Yeah, I could just return here and just keep going, man. It's like, what the fuck? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I still need to figure out how to reference that. It's been a hot minute. And I think I went with a different solution whenever I tried to. Alright. Yeah, we're good with that. We're good with that. We don't need those anymore. Although it would have been handy to bookmark those just in case. You know what? Actually, I should do it. Can I? Yes, please. Yep, bookmark these. Yep. Alright, Unity reference points? There we go.
And how exactly am I going to do that? Because, you know, this test, and I'm going to create a script inside your Unity project already. It will just call it the same thing, but we grab the script from the other game object. So the way we do that would typically be inside the wait function. Start.
Hey guys, what's up?
The basic difference here is that await gets called first, and then
Doing well, I hope.
start gets called after. And usually when you want to reference components inside Unity, you want to do it inside await before you start assigning data to empty fields you may have up here.
Okay, player controller. That references
Here, so if I
player
had,
controller
you
script.
know, a boolean and then
Okay, so I think kinda is. Time to stop stream, but I'm gonna struggle with this for a bit. Doing acceptable, I guess. Okay. We take acceptable.
I wanted to assign it as, you know, let's say if you have player equal to false, I would do that inside my start function, not inside a wake. So, you know, just doesn't really matter. It's not gonna break anything. In most cases, find. So you're just gonna say, okay, we have a player object, and then we're gonna grab the player controller. Of course, right now you won't actually be able to put this to
Yeah.
me.
And then there's another way to reference.
a
rather than just making a whole new instance of the
select it.
thingy.
You can now see the
Which is you create a serialized field inside a unit. Oh, dude, I need to see it one more time. Yeah, public, protected, private. Yeah. That's protected. Inherited members. Right. That's, I think, what I'm looking for.
Getting a variable from another script allows you to parent
Yep.
trying to do anything with
Oh.
it. Touches another object's collider in the scene. For example, at any time, the script will no longer be able to find it. And if you have multiple objects of the same name in the scene, there's no guarantee which object will be returned. What's worse is that it can be very inefficient,
It's what we're working on. We're working on the 17th EU ones.
since Unity will
I'll
have
be
to search
trying.
all of the objects in the scene to find the one you're looking for. An alternative option is to find a game object using its tag.
Yeah, we know about
Which
that.
can be useful for finding a very specific object, such as the player or the main character object. Try to use it as little as possible by caching the
Yeah, because that one's very computational heavy.
specific variable.
There's a way to do it with the inspector and tell the inspector, hey, shove this on this, and then Unity's like, oh shit, yeah, I know about that.
Information on that object to use with other scripts in your game. Meaning that every time a script wants to access the player's health or the score, for example, you'll need to search the object for that component.
Yeah, we know about global
which,
variables.
As your game gets
No,
bigger,
no.
can cause problems with performance.
Oh, this might be it.
objects in a scene of a certain format, then the exact instance the script refers to, set menu attributes. This will allow you to create new scriptable object assets by right-clicking in your project window. Then, in your game, whenever you want to reference a
Kinda is.
scriptable object asset, you can declare an asset of that type
Hypertext.
and simply choose the instance of the scriptable object from your project's assets. But how is that useful? Create new scriptable object assets by right-clicking in your project window. Then, in your game, whenever you want to reference a scriptable object asset, you can declare an asset of that type and
Whoa, what the fuck? Hold up.
then in your game, whenever you want attributes. This will allow you to create new scriptable object assets by right-clicking in your project window. Then, in your game, whenever you want to reference a scriptable object asset, you can declare an asset of that type and simply choose the instance of the scriptable object from your project's asset.
Yo, that's Pog! I don't know where the hell I'm gonna use it, but that's cool.
But how is that useful? If you still need to drag and drop the scriptable object reference to the script in your scene, how is this method any different from creating a manual connection to an object in the scene in the inspector? Because scriptable objects exist as assets, their data and values are persistent, meaning that it's possible to connect a script to a scriptable object instance before the scene runs. For example, if you were to create
Okay, it's possible to create that link before the scene runs. Okay, I got you.
a prefab object for the player's health display, you'd be able to connect it to a scriptable object instance of the player's health value. Both the player object and the health display are referencing the same piece of data, the health value, but neither is dependent on the other, meaning that the health display doesn't even need the player to exist to read the health value, since the scriptable object asset acts as a layer of abstraction between them, reducing dependencies between objects. And if you wanted to add a second player later on, you can simply duplicate the health value and point a second health display towards it without changing how the script works. For more information on how to create a second health display towards it without changing how the script works. For more information on how to create your game's upload, reducing dependencies between them.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool for variables. Alright, that's really cool. Alright, but okay, we're doing variables right now. No, we need to call Oh, there's Jeff. We're trying to call a method, which is probably where I'm fucking up.
We executed. We opened the scripts in Visual Studio in the A script.
Oh my god, I'm still messing up that terminology. Holy
We're
shit.
going to define a method called method A that is going to receive a game object called G as a parameter, and it's going to use that game object to print a message in the console. The message will be the game object name G.name has called a function of
Okay,
A.
this is the tutorial I
In order for
remember.
this method to be executed from another script, it must be defined with public visibility. To see how this method works, before calling it from another script, let's call it from the same A script in the start method. We write method A and in between parentheses game object. Game object with the first letter in lowercase is the reference of the object this script is assigned. This function is assigned to the game object. I'm gonna find the game object that has
we don't
that
buy tags
tag
too.
assigned and extract the A-type component.
Okay, but we don't want to do that yet.
Which only open and close parenthesis send a game object type object called
Give me the inspector method.
has called
Give it to me.
from A, which means that we were able to call a function that is defined in a script from another script. Now you should analyze this, understand how it works, and apply it to your own scripts.
Yeah, AA.
If you
Yeah,
want
that's
to
what we're
practice
looking for.
this-
Right there, right there.
And between the less than and that I know is assigned the A-type object that is present. Just as we did in the video on how to read variables that are in other scripts, we need to set a reference to an A-type object in B, because A is where the method we want to call is defined. To do this, before the start method, we write A in uppercase and then give it any name. In this case, I'm gonna name it A in lowercase. We have to find the reference of the A-type object that is present in the game. In this case, this reference is assigned to the game object A of the hierarchy. We have to find that reference in our code and assign it to this field, A in lowercase. In the variables video, we saw two ways to find this reference, and now I'm gonna do it in a different way. I'm gonna create a tag called tag A, assign it to the game object A. Then in the B script, I'm gonna find the game
Oh my gosh, that sound.
object that has that tag assigned and extract the A-type component that I know is assigned to that game object. This can be done in one single instruction, writing A in lowercase equals game object with the G in uppercase, because we're referring to the game object class, dot find game object with tag, and between parentheses we put the name of the tag. As this name is a string, we put it between quotation marks. Make sure it's this instruction and not the plural version, which only differs from an S. That version finds all the game objects with that tag and returns an array of game objects, and that's not what we need. Until here, we have a game object reference.
Alright, we'll keep you there just in case. Alright, so we gotta assign this shit. Alright, grab you. Here, serialize this bitch. Yeah, serialized. Okay, inside of, their chat parser. Oh boy. Chatbot? Chat parser. Fantastic. Alright, yeah, there we go. Alright, so we got the WebP animation. The WebP animation is assigned here. Oh. So we need to drag you. Yeet. There we go. Alright, so whenever we make that reference, it's gonna reference that one. Fantastic. Alright. WebP animation. Okay, and then we need to turn these from private to public. Close that one so I don't goof it up. Okay, that's gonna return. It has the list. List of 2D textures with int. Okay, and then I just store that in the other. Okay, so downloading does that. It loads the animation. Loading the animation is going to parse all that data and shove it into that list. We need to make sure that list is stored in. That means that we need to change this. Yeah, okay. Okay, so our WebP's textures needs to be this type. E-boy tries to sell you placebo code. Will it work? No. Okay, got a private list of 2D textures named red. Just 2D textures and ints. Okay. Yes. Dictionary of lists? Yeah, no, that, yeah, you can do that, right? You can totally do that. Right? Can a dictionary contain a list? Dictionary. Okay. C#, yeah? Yeah, okay. No, it's definitely a hobby thing. More of a hobby. Whew, okay, alright, it's gonna take a bit. of some of those games. So those were a bunch of indie stuff. That was cool. Alright, yeah, it's gonna take a while. Alright, I'm gonna go I'm gonna go get some food. And then I'm gonna go do more programming off stream. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good night, a good weekend, a wild encounter. Please starve.
Bullshit.
Alright, hopefully Monday we'll be back with a new game. And some fancy new tech, but we'll see on that. We'll see if it actually pans out. We're getting close. Hit a few road bumps, like you do. That's good, Sir Gel. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Cult of the Lamb? Ah, no. Although I did see that came out. It did look neat. But that's not the next game plan. The next game plan is hopefully Star Ocean, and if it's not Star Ocean, then I'm gonna stall like a mofo with some other game. Not sure what game. Starlink. I haven't heard of Starlink. Oh, dude, I did hear that it had chat integration. I don't know what the integration is. I've only seen like the demo gameplay of it. I haven't seen any of the release gameplay. Starlink. Okay, it's not Steam. Oh, you might let's just in case. Okay. Starlink, wait. Apps on Google Play. Wait. Is it a phone game? Okay, viewers can become followers of your cult and contribute to your totem with chat points. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's kinda neat. Oh, from Star. I got you. Alright. Funny enough, it was actually a phone game. It only had like 100 downloads, but it was in fact a phone game. Star Beach. But now I'm about to speed. Alright, enjoy my meal. Thanks. Bye. And yeah, y'all have a good night. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. I hope it was chill. Alright.